Hello guys, sing with me again.
Sing with your lips, I will sing with you.
Hello. Oh, hindi mo ginawa. When she looks at me, I know the girl sees things nobody else can see.
All of the secret fears inside and all the craziness I have.
She looks into my soul and will be like nobody can. And she doesn't judge that man, she just takes me as I am. Come what may, she believes, and that it is something I've never known before.
Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open a door, making me love myself a little more. When I turn away, he knows these are the times there's nothing he can say.
Nothing that anyone can do, and so she let me live it through. And when I'm in my darkest hour of uncertainty, she just simply let me be, and goes right on loving me.
Come what may, he'll believe, and that faith is something I've never known before.
Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open up, oh, making me love myself a little more. And when it seems my dreams have always planned through my fingers,
When we just can't be found, I turn around and there is the air shining in your eyes.
come what may, she believes, and that is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more.
And the faith is something I've never known before. Agam, nawala.